Alright, so if you guys haven't guessed yet, Apple did not make this phone. This is a Galaxy Z Flip with a iOS skin on it. So yes, technically I did clickbait you, and I'm sorry for that. But just imagine if Apple were to actually make a folding phone. Like, I feel like they would actually put like real glass on there, and they would make the iOS experience just absolutely tailored to the folding phone and just make it complement the phone very well. Don't get me wrong, the Galaxy Flip Z is a great phone, but I feel like sometimes the software doesn't complement the phone very well, and I feel like Apple would be the one company to actually take those improvements and input them into their own folding phone. But at the end of the day, Samsung right now is the only company that's really making good folding phones, and Apple is behind. But yeah, sorry for clickbaiting you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.